Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use RPA files on Android. First, understand that RPA, or Robotic Process Automation, helps automate repetitive tasks directly on your mobile device. To begin, you'll need to download a suitable RPA player app from your App Store. Make sure your Android version is compatible with the chosen application for optimal performance and stability. This setup is crucial for smooth operation. Once you have your RPA player installed, the next step is preparing your device. Open the app and grant all requested permissions, such as access to storage or accessibility services. These are essential for the automation to function correctly. Then, ensure your RPA file, usually ending in a RPA extension, is easily accessible on your device, perhaps in your Downloads folder or a dedicated RPA directory. Now let's get your automation running. Launch your RPA player application. Within the app, you'll typically find an option to import or open an RPA file. Navigate to where you saved your RPA file and select it. Once loaded, a simple tap on the play or run button will start the automated sequence, executing the tasks as programmed. It's quite straightforward and efficient. If your RPA automation isn't working as expected, don't worry. First, double-check that your RPA player has all the necessary permissions enabled in your device settings. Sometimes, a corrupted or incompatible RPA file can cause issues, so try verifying its integrity or using a different file. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy exploring the power of automation on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.